Did you know video content now makes up over 80% of all online traffic? That's huge. But creating videos doesn't have to be complicated. Today, we're exploring top AI-powered video tools that make content creation effortless. Whether you're a marketer, educator, or content creator, these tools can save time and boost creativity. First up, Pictory AI, an intelligent platform that transforms text into professional quality videos. Just input your script, and Pictory finds the right visuals, adds captions, and even suggests voiceovers. Next, ltx.studio, a cutting-edge tool that brings cinematic quality AI editing to your fingertips. With real-time rendering and powerful automation, it's changing the game for creators. And here's a sneak peek. This video was made using ltx.studio. Check out the results for yourself. Video creation has never been easier. With AI handling the heavy lifting, you can focus on storytelling and creativity. Want to see more? Stay tuned for our next tutorial, where we'll explore the latest AI trends shaping the future of video production.